Hey YouTubers, you're back with Nate Dawg Worldwide, and today we're cooking with Nate Dawg. Today we're doing some baked chicken in the oven. This had just come out, but it's real easy. You buy these quarters, and these were seasoned with barbecue, like a base on it already. Come right out of the package. Um, Oven safe glass dishes. Put some aluminum foil in the bottom of your pan so nothing sticks to the bottom of your pan. Makes for easy cleaning. Spray it with Pam, the aluminum foil. Put a little bit of water in the bottom, just enough really to coat the bottom. When it cooks, it makes the chicken nice and moist and just really brings out the flavor. Lay the chicken in there, a little bit of breadcrumb on top, a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top, which this is the Parmesan cheese right here that we use. Just some Parmesan and Romano mix, and put it in the oven for 350 for an hour, and comes out, and oh my god, just melts in your mouth. All right, guys, thanks for watching.